In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update Roblox on your Android phone. So I'm in the Roblox app right now. We need to go out of the Roblox app and then you need to go to the Google Play Store. So for me, it's on my home page there, right over there in the middle. And then you'll be on the home page of the Google Play Store. Then in the top search bar, just type Roblox and then hit search. And now I'm going to tap on Roblox and you have two options now, uninstall and play. Now, if there is an update for Roblox, instead of saying play there, it's going to say update. Then all you would need to do is tap on update. It'll download the update, install automatically, and then you'll be able to click on play once again to play the latest update. Now that's the manual way to do it. Now, if you don't want to go in manually every single time and update Roblox, just tap on the back arrow twice. Then you'll see your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Tap on that and then you want to tap on settings near the bottom right over there. And then you want to tap on network preferences, the second option from the top, and then auto update apps in the middle. And then I recommend that you select over Wi-Fi only, because then whenever you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection, it will download all the updates for all your apps, including Roblox. Over any network will use your data, so I don't recommend wasting your data updating your apps. So select over Wi-Fi only and then click on done and you'll be good to go. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.